How to use HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explained video series, I'm going to talk about the function HLOOKUP. It's similar to VLOOKUP and we're going to explain the function while I'm going to use it. Okay, let's learn how it works. We have a list of data here. We have brand name and we have our warehouse name and we have our product inventory, and here we're going to find out that inventory. So we're going to write a product name here and we want to find out all the inventory of different warehouse. Okay, so let's apply the function here. In this cell K8 we're going to write the product name. Let's write Dell here. We can change it anytime we want. Let's write the HLOOKUP function here to find out how many Dell computer we have in our Europe hub. Okay, write equal to and then write HLOOKUP H, and here in the tooltips it says look for a value in the top row of a table or array of values and return the value in the same column from a row you specify. Okay, so it look for a value and return the value from a row that I specify. So it should do that because we want to find out Dell inventory number. So it should find Dell in the title columns and then return the Europe hub inventory which is in the second row. Okay, so if I double click here HLOOKUP, the parameters are, first we have lookup value. So which value do we want to find? We are going to select this cell. We have our value here and press comma, and then the table array. We need to select the entire table. Okay, so this is from where we are going to find out our product. Then we have our row index number. So which warehouse we want to find? We want to find the Europe hub which is in the second row. Okay, so we are going to write here 2, and then range lookup is true and false. We have two options. True for approximate match, and we are not going to use that. We need the exact match, which is false, and then close parentheses. So we have here 4 parameters. First one is the lookup value, then we have the range where we have our data, then the row index number, and the last one is false. That means it will find the exact match. Okay, now here in the lookup value it should be fixed because we are going to copy the formula to the next row, so we want to keep it fixed here. So for that I'm going to press F4, and you can see we have $sign before the row and column name. Okay, another thing we should consider here, the range, and I want to fix this range also, so I'm going to press here F4 again, and now if I press enter we have our value. So it found Dell in the second column and then return the Europe hub inventory list, which is the amount here. Okay, now let's try for Asia hub. Right, equal to and then HLOOKUP. Lookup value should be this one, this cell, and we are going to fix it by pressing F4, then press comma, and then the table array. This is the table and I want to fix it also, so I'm going to press F4 again, and then the row index number should be 3 and the last parameter should be false. Now close parentheses and press enter. We have our value here. You can see this is our Asia hub inventory. Now let's change the product name here. I'm going to write here HP, and you can see the inventory list is changing. So this is how HLOOKUP work, and this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.